Inner Decay, Death of the Sun. So I thought this was a very good riff to do a palm muting exercise video. So that riff that you just heard is power chords, and there are some slides in there, but the main thing we're looking at is where those palm mutes take place. So first we have an open note, which is on the 5th fret. Obviously those are all slides, but there's a palm mute in there, right there. Okay, very simple to do. So this is on the 1st fret, 3rd fret, so F and G. Okay. And we're getting 2 palm mutes per chord. Open, right? Open, palm mute, open. Okay, very simple to do, very catchy riff. I really enjoy it. So that's Death of the Sun by Inner Decay. One of the songs that we perform live, and it's probably one of my favorite riffs to play. Obviously, Tom's doing some solos and stuff under it, and I just think the song's really cool. Alright, let me know if that was useful to you, and go ahead and practice that palm muting. I think it's really helpful, and yeah, particularly in this riff. So let me know if you want some tablature for that. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.